Hey Virgo friends, I have another quick haul for you. Today it is all cleaning products, no food whatsoever. Um, so I will always start on the left side. So these guys here, everything by the way was purchased at Real Canadian. So the original price for these Real Canadian was $4.48 for the Vim Power Shine. The Vim Cream original price was $3.28, and then the floor cleaner was also $4.48. Then Checkout 51 currently has $1 off on every single item, so a max of 4 power shines, 5 cream cleansers, and then 5 of the floor cleaners. So I went in. So Real Canadian also has them on sale this week for $2.98, but Walmart has them cheaper. They are currently $2.47 at Walmart. So I went into Real Canadian, price matched 4 of the Vim Power Shines, $2.47. Shoppers has the Vim creams on sale for $1.99. Today, unfortunately, was the last day. So price matched Shoppers, $1.99 for 5. And yes, usually you can only price match 4 items, but because these are different varieties, you're fine because they have different SKUs for each fragrance. So I price matched these, $1.99 each from Shoppers, and then the floor cleaners also price matched Walmart for $2.47 because their flyer just says Vim cleaning products up to 1 liter. And so this is the Vim cleaning product, floor cleaner, 1 liter. So I got it for the same price as the Power Shine. So the original price for all 14 of these items, if I were to purchase them at Real Canadian when they are not on sale, would be $64.10, tax included. So by price matching, I got it down to $36.36, which is already a really good deal. But then because I had the offers from Checkout 51, so I automatically am getting $14 back because it was $1 back per item. And then I had a personal offer on my PC card where every $2 spent on Vim cleaners, I would get back 40 cents. And so because I spent $32 before tax, I got back 6,400 points, which is the equivalent of $6.40. So in total, I spent $15 and some change, which ends up being about $1.13, I believe, per item, or 14 cents, which is amazing in comparison to what the actual price was before. And even if you were to go to Dollarama, I know you can buy cleaning products at Dollarama, but name brand things for the large sizes, you'll never get it for $1. So this was a fantastic haul. I love getting a bunch of cleaning products because I just love cleaning products. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I would love to help you guys out. Have a good one.